Let us begin with the mechanical assembling part. Let us start with the side walls of conveyor system. We can fix with perfect screwing method. Then use this studs to fix it. Now one side of wall is constructed, then go for second one. Yes, again you can use this stud to fix that. Now your side walls are perfectly fixed. Then we can fix the clamps which are required for fixing the DC motor. We can call it as a conveyor motor clamp. We can use 100 RPM motor for conveyor system. Now let us assemble this DC motor with a clamp. This motor can run complete our conveyor belt. The hole required for this clamp is 8 mm. Now it is ready. Then can fix it into the screws beside the wall. Now it is perfectly matched to the conveyor system. Then fix with the studs. Now it is perfectly matched. Then let us fix this DC motor to rotate the robotic arm. For that I am using 30 RPM DC motor. It is already soldered. Then tighten the nut. Fix it here with the studs. If you use these studs, I think you need not to use extra tools. You can tighten thoroughly from your hand itself. Now this is also tightened. Then let me fix this robotic arm on top of this DC motor with help of screwdriver. You need to match this hole with the motor shaft. Yes, this is also done. You can see. Then fix this. These two clamps are used for fixing the sensors. One is for object sensor, that is IR sensor. One is for color sensor. Let me take. Then use this clamp for fixing a clamp for IR or object sensor. Now let us assemble tight this roller with motor shaft. Yes, it's done. And let us fix another roller at this end. So this is free moving and this is controlled by motor. Mechanical assembling part is over now. Let us fix this conveyor system. We use V-groove to make it assembling easy. Let me take this and connect these two and fix it on this and tight as you required. So your mechanical part is over now. So whatever object you are placing on this, it will come on the conveyor. Here we will fix one object sensor which will detect the object and stop the conveyor in front of the color sensor. Then the color sensor will analyze the object color, then it will push it into our robotic arm, then robotic arm will pick the material and place it into our respective bins or containers.